Ready to transform your Wix mobile site from static to stunning with dynamic push and pull effects. First, head over to the Wix editor and switch to mobile view. Select the element you want to animate. This could be an image, text box, or even a decorative shape. Now, click on the animations icon, which looks like a little sparkle. Explore the entrance animations. Notice how most are simple fades or slides. We need something more subtle. This is where the magic happens. Look for the interactions or triggered animations panel. If your Wix editor does not have this function, it's most likely available on Wixfellow. Add a scroll trigger. This links the element's movement to the user's scrolling action. You can adjust the start and end positions and the speed of animation. Experiment with different values to find the perfect balance. Think of it as defining a path for your element. As the user scrolls, the element will smoothly transition along this path, creating the push and pull effect. Preview your mobile site to see the animation in action. Keep tweaking the settings until you achieve the polished, interactive feel you're after. This is how you create a more dynamic experience. With a little creativity, you can use this technique to add depth, guide the user's eye, and make your Wix mobile site truly stand out. Try using different elements and animations to elevate your website.